Hey you guys, and today we are going to deliver a construction equipment. Why? Because our truck is not working because the piston is melted. So I decided to use my W900 to handle this. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. So I got my flatbed trailer here. To weigh up 800 pounds or something. It's gonna be 10,000 pounds or 1,000 pounds or something. I don't know. Comment down below what pounds of this. Wait. Oh, come on. Wait. Come on, you can do it. Come on, yes. There we go. I hope she stays steady. Alright, it's attached. So now we are good to go. Look at this. Wow. I'm gonna go lift above it. So I'm gonna create a new channel. Oh, it almost fell right now. It's shaking like this. Alright, so now I'm gonna left. Go to the campsite. After we delivered it, everybody shook, and now I'm gonna use it. W900. Oh my god. Why won't stop? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go lift. Alright. So now this is a long journey. Now that's America. And also we gotta be careful for those tight and hardest challenging roads. Wait, I forgot to go there. Oh god, I don't want to hit that. Alright, so now I'm gonna go to this campsite. Where's campsite? Yeah, it's right up the road. So now the only problem was how I need to get this thing reversed. Apparently there's a U-turn up ahead. There's no U-turn, so I'm gonna make a large turn. Alright. Right. This is the hardest road I ever seen. I don't fall. I don't want to fall because it will make me lose. Yeah, the conquest, which is restarted. Right, I'm gonna go park here. Alright, so we got a ramp, and now it's time to go get this thing. No, this is a MyStick video. MyStick. Yeah. Alright, it's time to go get it lowered. Alright, it's time to go get this thing. Whee! The rail looks so awesome. Oh my god, it demolished the rock every time I use this. Oh my god. Alright, now this is awesome. Now that is a nice machine I ever seen in my entire life. Oh my god. Wait, I forgot to turn on the engine. Alright, it's time to go close the ramps. I think it's ready, and now it's time to go. Alright guys, so that's all, and now goodbye.